Hello everyone, this is How I Love Geometry. I'm Mr. Chao. This problem is from 2021, Aime1, problem number 2. In the diagram below, ABCD is a rectangle with side length AB equals 3 and BC equals 11. BC and AD the same, 11. And AECF is a rectangle with side length AF equals AF is the same EC 7, and FC and the AE is the same equals 9. Assume the area of the shaded region common to the interiors of both rectangles is m over n. Let us find m plus n. So it means we want to find the area of this quadrilateral AGCH. So at first we know AH parallel to GC, right? And AG parallel to HC. AG parallel to this. So it's a parallelogram. Parallelogram, it means AH equals GC and AG equals HC. So here we have a lot of parallel and triangles and right triangles. So I think we can use main idea, use similar triangles. For example, if I say, let us suppose BG equals A and GE equals B, here is B, then GC will 11 minus A, and if GE is B, then AG will be 9 minus B, right? 9 minus B, so 9 minus B. And we know the triangle ABG, similar to triangle CECEG, because this right angle, vertical angle. So this one, the complementary of this angle, this complementary of this angle, they are the same. So yeah, we got triangles similar. Then we got 1, 3, 2, 7 corresponding part, and equals which one? A over B. And also we can get 9 minus B over 11 minus A. Then we can get two equations. One is from here, this two. The second one we can get this and this one, right? So and 3 over 7 equals A over B. Then we got 7A equals 3B, right? And now we got from here, and this one we got 33 minus 3A equals 63 minus 7B. And then we can get 7B minus 3A equals 30, right? See, each side minus 33. And here we can get 3B minus 7A equals 0. Now we got 1, 2, so put them do addition for them. Then we got 10B minus 10A, right? 10A equals 30. Then we got B minus A equals 3. And finally we got B equals A plus 3. So we can find A and B, because we can use this. Let me say 3, and we can use equation 3, substitute 3 and substitute into 1. Then B is A plus 3. 3 times A plus 3 equals 7A equals 0. Then we got a 3a plus 9 minus 7a equals 0. Then we know 9 equals 4a, right? Then we got a each side divided by 4, 9 over 4. Then we can got b equals which one? B equals a plus 3. A is 9 over 4. 9 over 4 plus 3. 12 over 4. So we got a 21 over 4. So that's A and B. This is B. Now we will find the area of this one. We know the total of A, B, C, D is 3. Total of A, B, C, D we know is how much? 3 times 11, so 33. And we know the area ABG now equals, oh, we just need to find the A. We don't need even to, we don't need to solve B. So the area of this one is 1/2 times 3, then times A. And now we got 2. This one plus the same CDH, right? They are the same. So put them together. So that's 3A. So A is 3 times 9 over 4, so it's 2 over 4. So the shaded part we want m over n is 33 minus 2 over 9, so 66 minus 9 over 2, right? So how much for that? Times A, 3A, oh, no, 27, sorry. Here is 27 over 4, so 33 minus 27 over 4, so that's 132 minus 27, so here is how much? 105 over 4. So we got m plus m is equals 109, 109. I'm sorry, I make a mistake here. Yeah, 3 times is not 2 times. Yeah, 3 times 9/4. So that's it. Yes, done. This problem is not so hard. We know we just use the similar triangle and then step by step to find a simple area. So I hope you can enjoy it. Yeah, thanks. Bye.